Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and it's time to spruce up your kitchen in a way that you don't need any tools, you don't need a lot of labor, you don't need a lot of time. Just replace them with these awesome cabinet knobs from homdiy. These are the brushed nickel 25 pack. They are 2 inches long and 1 hole. All you need is your handy dandy screwdriver, and there'll be minimum effort and minimum labor that is at all required to install these. That way you can go from something that looks bleh to something that looks more modern and cool and exciting. And it's also renter friendly, because once I move out of this apartment, guess what? I can put the knobs back on. I didn't rechange anything about these cabinets. I didn't put any new holes in them. I will still hang on to my old ones and be able to enjoy my homemade cabinets wherever I go. The handle shape works perfect whether it's a cabinet that you open from the top or if it is a drawer cabinet. Both work excellent. The design is really cool. It reminds me of a small pipe. And it does even have the small subtle brush effect on it. They're very sturdy. We've had these cabinet knobs for the past year and they've held up the test of time. They still look really fresh and still have the nice brush effect. Nothing about it looks old or wearing away. These knobs have been super effective. They look really great. They're really easy to install. If you've been sitting on it, get rid of those old cabinet knobs and replace them with new ones. And that's my point of view.